Hey everybody, I have another turtle tip for you today. Have you noticed that your turtles are messy eaters? They have bad tableside manners. They chomp on food and a messy cloud comes out of their mouths, polluting the water that you had just spent so much time cleaning. Here's a quick and easy tip for all kinds of foods that you feed your turtle. You can keep your water clean. The trick is to have a bucket separate from your turtle tank. Your turtles will be spooked at first. They'll be like, "Where are you taking me?" Well, after a while they'll get used to the routine of being fed away from their main tank. This is a great trick if you feed your turtles worms or super worms, which are kind of messy. But today I'm just gonna feed them pellets. This is by ZooMed. It's 35% protein and it has added vitamins and minerals, which is good for the turtles. And to balance out their diet, I will also give them some lettuce. I like to give them the dark leafy part of the lettuce because that contains more minerals and is better for your turtles. So let me show you how I feed my turtles separately from the main tank. So the first thing I'm going to do is take some water out of the main tank and put it in the bucket. Just enough so that the turtles will be submerged in the water, because that's how aquatic turtles eat. They eat under the water. These turtles are big. I'll feed them one at a time. First I'll give them pellets. I kind of break up the lettuce into smaller pieces so that it's bite-sized and the turtles can handle it when they chomp on it. There you go. Okay, the male turtle is done. Now I'll switch it out with the female turtle. Having one turtle in the bucket is useful. The turtles won't fight each other for the food. There you go. And a little trick I want to show you. This is actually a good trick if you like to eat vegetables yourself. If the lettuce looks wilty and kind of like sad looking, I simply put the lettuce or whatever vegetable that you're having in water. All of a sudden it takes the wilted leaves and brings them back to life. They're bright green and very hearty looking, which is great for the turtles also. They like to eat something substantial. And this is a nice piece of lettuce I can give my turtle now. Okay, now that I've fed my turtles, today is a nice day. I want to take my turtles outside and give them some natural sun exposure so they get their vitamin D for their shells. And then they'll enjoy the outside, nice fresh air, see the sun. Let's take them outside. Close eye on them. Make sure your pool is deep enough so that the turtles don't escape. I'll leave them out here for a little while so they can enjoy themselves. It's like a day at the beach. Hey, that was fun. I fed them separately from their tank so that their water stays nice and clean for a much longer period of time. And then I took them outside so that the turtles can enjoy natural sun. In a way, it's like going to the beach. Turtles like to suntan just like you and me. If you enjoyed this video and you feel it was helpful to you, please press the like button and please subscribe for more videos like this. And we'll see you next time on my Outdoor and Nature channel. Hey, it's not time to come out. Stay in there. This is what happens if you feed the turtles at the same time in one bucket. They start fighting. Who's gonna win this race? It's a turtle race, everybody.